Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome to our English period, and let us continue the lesson A True Story of Sea Turtles. So far we understood that how the author of this lesson launched a very successful campaign to protect the sea turtles and their eggs, isn't it, at Velas in Ratnagiri district. So after that, let us see what he did. After the success at Velas, we started implementing the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. That means he turned his attention to other villages in the coastline of Maharashtra, and he surveyed the entire coastline of Maharashtra state, and it took him 5 years to do so. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. So that means he started with this project in 80 villages where the turtle nests were found. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train and involve them in the work of protection. Now, the author and the volunteers or the activists of the Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra decided to take help from the local people of those 80 villages, to implement their project to save the sea turtles and their eggs. So they first tried to take help from those people who were engaged in stealing the sea turtles' eggs. So after that, they trained them and they made them to work on the project. We started the Turtle Friend Awards, that is Kasav Mitra, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection campaign. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. So we can see what kind of efforts the author had to take in order to protect the sea turtles' eggs. The year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept. Novel means new. Turtle Festival or Kasav Mahotsav, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. So in the year 2006, the author of this lesson decided to hold a festival named as Turtle Festival or the Kasav Mahotsav, where not just the local people but also the tourists all over the country assembled there to see the hatchlings coming out of the eggs and rushing towards the sea, because this was a very incredible view to see, or the sight to look at. So he wanted all the tourists to enjoy this kind of a sight. So a festival was being held. Was decided to be held. A short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue. The hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to the tourist activity. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. The response to this novel concept of homestay was excellent. So, we understand that those days there were no facilities of lodging and boarding in Konkan region. So, where would these tourists stay? So, the local people took the initiative, they came forward and they decided to provide homestay to the tourists there. Fine? So, this was a new thing again. Homestay concept was again a new concept in the Konkan region. A Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. All the villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. They gave 10% of the Turtle Protection Fund. How noble of those people to offer 10% of their income from their homestay to the Turtle Protection Fund. The fund would be utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped. The festival reached all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. So now this kind of campaign or this kind of project did not just keep confined or remain confined to the country, but it was now well known in the corners of the country, of the world, with the help of internet and their independent website. People around the world began to contact the small villages in Konkan. of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. So you can see this view. Isn't it beautiful? It is indeed. Small tiny turtles, the hatchlings, coming out of their eggs and rushing towards the sea. This is indeed a very an incredible view to look at. So how many families were engaged in offering the homestay? There were 35 in Velas alone. As many as 800 people began to visit Velas in the turtle season. This meant more business for the villagers. Now they realize that tourism can be a source of income. Tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. What a change of mind, isn't it? This was conservation of nature through livelihood in its true sense. Velas became the project's main success story. So the local people started, they learned how to earn their living by protecting the sea turtles and not by stealing their eggs anymore. Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, our organization, believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects became sustainable. With this belief, we entrusted the project to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, because the project was implemented only in the villages. Therefore, the Gram Panchayat had to come into the picture. The villagers and their turtle friends club, all of them are handling it wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. So this is how we try to understand how it is necessary to take care and protect our environment. So this is a wonderful lesson, and please go through this video and also read the lesson till you understand it better. Your assignment for another 2 days is to complete the English workshop of this lesson. If you have any doubts, please do write to me on Google Classroom or on WhatsApp. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.